In this video, I'll show you how you insert your document name in your document footer. Yeah, simple and easy. So to do that, you have to move to the footer of your document. That's the bottom of your document. You double tap that. Good. So you open the footer here. You can see it here. The tab has been opened, header and footer. So now we are going to do is you are going to move to quick paths. This section here at the insert quick paths. Yeah. Tap on that and then you move to field, right? Good. And then the field name is going to be a file name, which because we are saying we are going to insert our file name there, so it should be a file name. So you need to glance through F here. I think that's it, file name. If you want the file size, anything, a button or something, you can use the same procedure to do that. This video's main aim is file name. So just like that, whether you want it uppercase, lowercase, anything of your choice, and you press on OK and it's here. This is a document I just created. You are done with this. After that, you close your header and your footer and you're done. And it should appear everywhere on your document, everywhere. Right. Good. So that's it. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. You have any question, you let me know that in the comment section. Peace.